Okay, so hi dear Capricorn. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is journal, health, career, and finances reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of January 2026. Sorry. This might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind. I'm not a career counselor or medical practitioner or in any way, what we call that, a financial advisor. Whatever messages are coming, I'm just sharing you with guys, okay? Sharing with you guys. Okay, for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, links are given below in the description box. Let's start, Cappies, with your health. Most important thing. हमने बहाने से 10 of Wands. Okay, if you are going to take too much pressure of anything on your body, you are going to collapse. Especially your digestive system, if you are going to overeat, over smoke, being over alcoholic, or putting your body and mind and soul in pressure, so much pressure, you might end up having some kind of drop in your sugar level. Maybe it's like some kind of drop, energy levels dropping, or dehydration. Please take care of how much stress you can handle, how much you can handle, like the food thing, the alcohol thing, or anything that you are putting in your body or outside your body, doesn't matter. Guidance, Page of Pentacles. You guys have to start coming back to the health regime that you used to follow, that you used to feel like this is important. Start your health regime, bring your health back on track. The way you guys used to do it before, the way it used to work out for you guys before, it will start working out for you again. But you guys have to start taking the initial steps towards the goal of your health. Otherwise, it's going to be a shit show. Okay, so for those of you who are working for others or doing job, we have the Queen of Wands here. You guys are going to be the star employee, or you guys are going to get some kind of reward or salary hike or some kind of promotion, and or the talks about it. But it's going to make you feel very excited, very passionate. At the same time, you're manifesting some kind of maybe brand new opportunity, and or you're manifesting some kind of more salary hike, more something like that. But you guys are going to win a lot of things because of your confidence, because of your energy, and you guys are going to be super excited about the next step of your career. Awesome. Guidance, Seven of Swords. Be realistic. Okay, be realistic and don't lie to yourself continuously. There is something that you guys should remain in the reality check of. You guys are being deceptive regarding something or someone that that you know very, very well, but you're completely avoiding it or ignoring it, because the reality might hurt, or the reality might make you come back to your senses and you're not liking it. So ignoring the reality or ignoring the fact that something needs to be properly dealt with is not going to heal it or release it. You guys have to definitely work for it. Okay, if you are doing business or self-employed, we have the Wheel of Fortune. Slowly but surely the wheel will start moving, which means whatever is going on right now in terms of your business, in terms of your self employment, it will start going in a totally opposite direction. It's not going to be like drastically everything is going to change, but slowly but surely things will start shifting. I can't say if it's going to be negative or positive, but whatever is happening right now, things will start moving in the opposite direction. It's like change is the only constant. This rule is going to apply on this business thing of yours. Guidance here is the Three of Cups. If you feel like taking help from somebody, first of all, stop this partying too much, or relying on others too much. Okay, or flaunting your business too much, even if nothing is going on, because this is going to go in a totally wrong direction. If you're not going to be stable enough and mature enough and grounded enough to understand that whatever you are going to say or do is going to have consequences. Second thing, celebrating before you are going to get the success that you should be celebrating is not required and recommended at all. You might come with a bad face, ugly face out of that. Something is not matching up here. You might be flaunting too much, you might be partying too much, you might be, celebrating too much before getting the desired success, and it is that is going to be the exact reason that you should not be flaunting your success before getting the success itself. Wow, that's difficult. For those of you who are looking for job opportunity or business opportunity, whether you are a fresher or an experienced person, Nine of Pentacles, there are very very good chances that you will be able to get some kind of opportunity that is going to help you to get financial freedom in the long term. This is something very exciting coming your way. This is a very beautiful opportunity that is going to have a potential for the long term stability, long term uh, happiness of yours. Okay. So, okay, money is coming and opportunity is coming, job or work opportunity is coming for you guys. Just you have to be in the right place at the right moment. Grab the opportunity as soon as it comes, right? In the guidance, we have the Six of Swords. You guys have to definitely let go of some kind of belief system or something that you are already working with. You guys have to finish something before you are going to start something new when it comes to your business or job thing. Because if you are going to start something while you are connected with other thing also or other things also, then it's going to be a little bit complicated for you to manage it. Okay, so before you are going to move to the next chapter of your career, make sure you are ending the previous one. Otherwise maybe some complications can happen afterwards, and that is going to become very very difficult to manage or handle, right? For your finances, we have the Two of Wands. You guys have to wait a little bit more longer than usual. There are going to be certain kind of delays in your finances, in your investments, or in your saving plans, but eventually you will be able to get back on track, and or you will be able to get the money or get the what we call that, revenue. Whatever you're waiting for, you will be able to get that when it comes to your finances, whether it's like coming back on track or some kind of rewards or revenue, whatever you call it. But it's going to be a little bit delayed, but eventually you will be able to get it. Okay, you have to wait before you are going to get the rewards of your earned money or investment or saving or whatever you call it. Guidance is the Judgment. You have to let go of the expectations, you have to let go of the attachment to the outcome when it comes to the finances. You're continuously attaching yourself to the outcome, you're continuously attaching yourself to, like, this should give me this much of money, this investment should give me this or that and this and that. Okay, until unless you are going to be at peace with whatever is happening in your financial area, you will not be able to get the rewards. You have to heal your relationship with your money energy. And the most important thing, the easiest way to heal your energy with your money energy is to just remain detached from the idea of getting it, like having it continuously. It means you are showing lack to the universe, and universe doesn't operate in lack energies, it simply operates in abundance energies. The more you are going to learn to be abundant with or without money, money will start flowing in your life smoothly, very peacefully and smoothly, and you don't have to worry about from where it is going to come. It will, okay, eventually. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.